Yes, students. Question number 5 from exercise 8.1. The question is, show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. So given is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Diagonals AC and diagonal BD bisect each other at right angles at point O, and also AC is equal to BD, means both the diagonals are equal. So we have to prove that ABCD is a square. So how we are going to prove it? As we are given, since what is given in the question that ABCD is a quadrilateral and its diagonals bisect each other. Since ABCD is a quadrilateral and its diagonals bisect each other. So if the diagonals bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. If the diagonals bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So the diagonals of quadrilateral are bisecting each other. It means OD is equal to OB and OA is equal to OC. Then again it is given diagonals bisect at 90 degree. So it is a rhombus also, because the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. If it is a rhombus, so all sides of this quadrilateral are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to DA, means all the four sides of this quadrilateral are equal. So let's take two triangles. In triangle ABC, we are taking one triangle ABC and second triangle we are taking BAD and triangle BAD. In both these triangles, AB is equal to AB common. Then AD is equal to BC. Sides of rhombus are equal. So then again we are given both the diagonals are equal. So AC is equal to BD. It is also given. So by SSS congruence criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. If both the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BAD by CPCT. Both the angles are equal, but we know that if it is a parallelogram, then the sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degree co-interior angle. So we will write, but angle ABC plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree and both are equal, so each is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, both the angles are equal to 90 degree. Which of these angles are of 90 degree? One is this angle, angle BAD, and second is angle ABC. Both the angles are equal to 90 degree. Now other two angles will also be equal to 90 degree because the opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we will write, therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree, and angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C, which is also 90 degree, and similarly angle B is equal to angle D is also 90 degree. And here we will write the reason: opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, so it proves that all the angles are equal to 90 degree. If all the angles are equal to 90 degree and all sides of this quadrilateral were equal, because it is a rhombus, so it is a square. Therefore ABCD is a square. Dear students, question number 6 from exercise 8.1. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. Show that it bisects angle C also, and ABCD is a rhombus. So given is ABCD is a parallelogram and diagonal AC bisect angle A. It means diagonal AC divide angle A into two equal parts, and we have to prove that it bisect angle C also, and ABCD is a rhombus. So first of all we will write here that ABCD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram as it is given in the question, so alternate angles will be equal. Which alternate angle will be equal? See, angle, let the name of these angles will be angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if ABCD is a parallelogram, so we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate angles. But we are given that angle 1 is equal to angle 4 as diagonal AC bisects angle A. Diagonal AC bisects angle A, it means it divides angle A into two equal parts. Therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 4. So if angle 1 is equal to angle 4, it implies angle 2 is equal to angle 3. See, 1 is equal to angle 2 and 3 is equal to angle 4, but angle 4 is equal to angle 1. Therefore angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So if angle 2 is equal to angle 3, therefore diagonal AC bisects angle C also. Now our first part is proved. Second part we have to prove is that ABCD is a parallelogram, but it is a rhombus also. Rhombus means all the four sides are also equal. So we will take two triangles. First is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, and other triangle we will take ABC, and second is triangle CDA. CDA. In both these triangles already we have proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 4 and angle 2 is equal to angle 3. 1 is equal to angle 4 is given and 2 is equal to angle 3 we have just proved. Now AC side is common to both the triangle. So AC is equal to AC common. So by angle side angle congruence criteria, triangles ABC and triangle CDA are congruent. If both these triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. So we will write BC is equal to CD, and then AB is equal to AD. But we know that ABCD is a parallelogram, so opposite sides of parallelogram are also equal. So let this equations be number 1, number 2. Then we will write, but opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So AB is equal to CD, number 3, and then BC is equal to AD, number 4. So from 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA or AD. So all the four sides are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. So hence proved. So we have proved both the parts.